So welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing another cube. So I also ordered in the it in Daraz. So let us check it. So it just arrived today. I got it open so that it was not in the way of the video. So let us get it out. It is skewb. It is skewb and QI, and let us. So it is stickerless. By the looks of this box, it is very looking good, but except for this one, so I can make exceptions. So I will, if it is good, I will be rating it 5 stars. So let us just open the cube. And so okay, so it comes with a user manual. So so it is my first time solving this, so it might come in handy. So let us just get it out of the way for now. So let us check the movement. So it is like, yes, so this movement is very comfortable. Like, you just do this, you just like do it, you don't have to lose your energy. So it is very, except for the tick sounds, and so it is really satisfying. Its movement is really satisfying. So I'm going to give it the 5 star, and let us shuffle it up and see if I can solve it. This is the first time, so I will be using this user manual, and let's see if I can do it or not. I will be able to do if I'm using the user manual. So now in this it says that the and that's all. So now let's get on with the shuffling. So let's just shuffle it up, and I think this is enough, I think. Yeah, so this is the white one in most of the cubes. So now this is telling us to start from the blue side. So where's the blue one? Yes, here's the blue one. So first of all, let us place the edges. So if I place, no, it is not placing. Yes, so one I have placed, then the second one, no, I think so. Now it is going to, no. So no. So yes, so this one is done, and then this one. So the last one is over here. So it is not placing. So let me check the manual. So it says yes. So it is saying that just put it underneath it and then twist it so that it faces, so it can be easily put. Now it is not putting, so let me just back it up, and then just I will put it. No, that will just so I think I will just move it to the other side so that it can be easy. So let me just do this, twist it so that it can easily go. Yes, so it went up, and just that's the back. Now I think, yes, turn the back. So it says that there are going to be only 2 cases. So the first case is there. So yes, the first case, I think, yes, this is the first case. So they are saying that put this one in front of you, and that is to side, and then the algorithm is U prime R prime R or R prime, whatever. So and then move it down, and then move this one down. So all the corners are made. Now it says to put the center in. So let me just put it in front, and then the algorithm is this, and you have to do this and then do this. So turn it twice, then do this, do this, do this, and do this. It all got shuffled up. So I think I did something wrong in there. So let me just try again. So the algorithm for this was, I think, yes. So the algorithm is like this, yes. So then I will be putting this. It was first this up and this up, then this down and then this down, then move 2 times and then this up and then this up and then this down and then this. So that's 3 colors done. And so now in this one, I think just putting it in the same color would work. So I have no need for reading this. Now 3 are left. I think this one is going to there and this. So let us just do the algorithm. So this one up and this up, then this down and then this down, and then move twice, then this up, this down and this down. So it's solved. So I didn't think I could solve it, but with the help of the user manual I solved it. So the user manual is good and everything is good, great for this queue. The movement is good. I would recommend you all this queue. If you want to buy it, go onto the Draz and just buy one yourself. And I will be also making the tutorial for this cube. It is very easy and fun to do, I think. So see you in the next video. So if you want to tell me to unbox what cube the next, so tell me in the comments below, and see you in the next